So, let's start. Punta ka sa philippineairlines.com and then click flight status. Click flight status. You can search by flight number or search by origin and destination. So, click departure date. For example, yung meron kang flight is coming February 25, so i-click mo tong February 25. So if tonight ka nang check and then yung flight mo is on February 27, hindi mo pa siya makikita dito. So hindi mo pa siya, wala ka pang February 27 na makiklik. So i-check mo yung flight mo 3 days or 2 days before your flight. So since meron akong client na may flight sa February 25, i-click ko itong February 25 and then the flight number. Tingnan mo sa yung ticket, yung flight number nandyan yan. So like this, dito sa image na to, yun yung flight number. So just type it 2935 and then click check status. So as you can see, okay pa naman, hindi pa naman na-move yung flight ni client, and then dito not yet departed and not yet arrived. Syempre kasi hindi pa naman time para sa flight niya. Okay, so kung canceled naman, makikita mo siya dito na cancel dito sa canceled, departure canceled, and then arrival canceled. So yun lang, and then try natin yung check or search by origin and destination. So, February 25, pick mo tong search by origin and destination. Then, departure date, February 25. And then, origin is BXU and Manila. Click mo tong check status. So again, okay pa naman, wala pa naman changes sa kanyang booking. Okay? So, kapag on the day naman, halimbawa, nag-depart siya 11:50, and then makikita mo dito yung status mo na hindi pa siya nag-arrive. Kung halimbawa, nasa himpapawid pa yung aeroplano, makikita mo dito na departed. Ito, yung status niya, makikita mo siya na departed and not yet arrived kasi nasa himpapawid pa yung aeroplano. So, ganun siya. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching this very quick video tutorial. I hope that you learned something and nakatulong siya sa inyo. For flight bookings and inquiries, just message me para ma-assist kita. Thank you so much and God bless, and don't forget to like and subscribe.